The Radioisotope Center POLATOM is an integral part of the National Center for Nuclear Research in Poland and is a significant global supplier of high-quality radiopharmaceuticals and diagnostic kits for nuclear medicine applications and an important producer of radioisotopes used in science and industry. The radioisotopes used in POLATOM's medicinal products are mainly produced in the Maria Research Reactor, operating at NCBJ. Constantly modernized, it is one of the most modern devices of this type in Europe. Our goal is to meet the needs of nuclear medicine, science and industry wherever radioactive isotopes are used. Our research and development work and improvements in production processes provide us with a high level of innovation. At the same time, we are constantly looking for new ways to develop and diversify our product portfolio. POLATOM offers radiopharmaceuticals for both diagnosis and treatment, such as iodine-131, sodium iodide capsules, technetium generators, in vivo kits and many more. Radiopharmaceuticals are drugs that use radiation emitted by selected isotopes of specific elements to image functions in the body, the functions of cells and tissues, or to destroy diseased tissues, such as cancerous tissues. Research into the use of radiopharmaceuticals has been carried on in nuclear medicine since the 1930s, but it remains an important element of diagnostics and treatment. In order to meet the high requirements related to the production of drugs and growing demand on the world market, POLATOM is constantly expanding and modernizing its facilities. In recent years, new production lines for iodine-131, yttrium-90 and lutetium-177 have been installed at the center. And the new production laboratory for high-class clean septic kits and drugs has been launched. The latest investment at the center is a new technetium generator production line. New radiopharmaceuticals developed in the research laboratories of the center have received marketing authorizations in Europe and beyond. Examples of such successful developments are original products such as Tektrotyt, Lutapol and Intrapol for diagnostic imaging and treatment of neuroendocrine tumors. The latter two were awarded the Polish Product of the Future distinction. POLATOM successfully combines basic and applied research and develops new radiopharmaceuticals to better face new scientific challenges and provide clinicians with new diagnostic and therapeutic tools. The center is fully equipped with research and analytical laboratories to conduct innovative research programs. It also educates students in cooperation with other scientific and medical partners and participates in international and national research programs. The Radioactivity Standards Laboratory at the Radioisotope Center POLATOM manufactures standard radioactive solutions and sources, conducts work related to the quality control of radiopharmaceuticals, and carries out research and development tasks in the field of radionuclide metrology. As the depository of the State Standard Unit of Measurement of Radioactive Activity of Radionuclides, the laboratory provides certified services for important branches of the economy, such as health protection and science. The Radioisotope Center POLATOM is intensively developing thanks to European Union funds allocated to research projects and investments. The largest undertaking is the construction of a complex of new laboratories at the Center for the Design and Synthesis of Molecularly Targeted Radiopharmaceuticals, CERAT, a project included in the list of the Polish Strategic Research Infrastructure Map. The investment we are seeing behind me is a new project aimed at expanding the offer of radioactive isotopes for medical purposes. It will be the unique investment of this type in Poland. The plant infrastructure will be equipped with, among others, a cyclotron designed for research into and production of radioisotopes. It will be the second device of this type in Europe. The production of radioisotopes and radiopharmaceuticals at NCBJ in Świerk has been continued for 60 years. Currently, POLATOM fully covers the needs of the Polish domestic market and exports products to 80 countries on 6 continents, including Germany and China, which are at the top of the list of recipients. High work standards and the implementation of modern technologies help us to ensure the quality expected by our clients. Quality is particularly important in the area of healthcare, which is our most important asset.